Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to do the flip through on the William Morris Bluebird folio. So I've tied it with some sari silk here. It stays closed, but I put this around just in case somebody wanted it like that. In the front cover I have this envelope thing that we made, a pocket, and oh, I never did. Oh, I was going to put something there. I will put something there. I totally forgot. Just going to put another flower or something on there. And then there's lace here and a little lace there. And then the back is just the William Morris paper. This is the first inside here cover. And I have these little pockets over here with little journal cards in it. It's just, they're just cute. They're so cute. And here I have a kind of a flip thing. I guess, yes, I think I just put that paper there. Okay, and then I have this coffee dyed on this side for journal writing. And then this little journal card here that I made quite a while ago. And then here I have a pocket with a journal card, which is like a greeting card. It was a greeting card from 1999. So getting close to vintage. And a little bluebird there. And then over here is just a place you can write on here or put a photograph or add something more to it. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, wait, it's not. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to turn this side over. Okay, here's the flip. And, and here's a policy envelope. And inside here, I have, this flips out. You can journal on there. And then I have a journal card in here, little puppies. And then this journal card here in the front. And so then I can close that back up. I was just thinking I wanted to make something with a one page, and I could make another one of these. Anyway, and there's journaling space there, and then over here is the journal. I don't know, I didn't count the pages, but there's, you know, some writing pages and some printed. This is a vintage page. It's from 1926. It's French. I had purchased a whole pack of French ephemera, and this is one of the pieces. And then I just glued this shut, made a pocket out of that, and a journal card. And this is, which will not stay, mulberry paper here. So I can make sure it stays flat. William Morris paper here, and you could put more tags. You could put a journaling spot there if you wanted journaling on the back. This is some wallpaper that I got from Tamara, which is what is it? Black coffee and wildflowers. Couldn't think of it. The paper that she sent, and I covered the back of that with some of this grid paper. Then here is a pocket on, this is a vellum page, and I put a pocket on that and this little journal card inside there. And this side I just put this little vintage piece of paper from a letter, and you can write on the back of that. It just sticks in that little pocket. Another William Morris page, and writing on the back of that. This one here is another pocket that we made, and I have just put a journal card in there. I probably should have done something to that. I thought I did everything. I can't remember if I did or didn't do things. So this is a flip here, and I wanted this page to be able to be read like the whole page. So I folded it, and then I put the flip on the back side here. And then I have a couple little journal cards in there. So you can journal here too. And then yeah, that's the other flip here. And journaling here, and you can journal in here. And then I put a flip on this side with a journaling spot, but it's still open if you want to add other things. And this page is the back page, and that was from a vintage almanac book, which I can't remember now what year. I got that from Tamara too. What year was this? It says it. I don't know. Darn. I think it's quite old though. I think it's like 1909 or something. Okay, and then I showed you that one already. And then journaling spot there, William Morris, more vellum than the back side of that wallpaper. And then back here we have a pocket with a couple journal cards in there. So there's one pocket up front here, and then one in the back that I left there. And mulberry paper pocket here with the journal card in there, or a tag, I should say. And then this is that vintage 1928 says on there. I don't know what it was, but it looks like maybe a license of something. And then regular journal page, writing page, and then this back page here. And then when you open up this side here, I've got a pocket with a couple little tags in there, and those tags hold these flaps closed, this waterfall. I didn't do much to it. I just decorated this front part, but there is journaling space inside here. So, and you could journal in there too. Wasn't necessarily the way I wanted that to come out, but it looks good. I mean, it's just, can't get everything right. And this pocket back here, it just has a little journal card in there. And it sticks right in there. And I made some little flower thingies. And this is the back, very back cover. So this goes, oops. So this goes this way, and then this way, and this way. And it closes all up. And then you tie it shut. And this was made with a file folder, a William Morris file folder. And the signature, I'm sorry, was elastic. So you can add pages or take pages out, whatever you'd like to do. So if you wanted to, you could just use this for a little ephemera holder. Use the ephemera maybe that's in there any way you want, and then you can add more things to it, or just, you know, that kind of stuff. I should make more of these just to have for my own use. I am going to make some more file folder ones with pockets, envelopes in it, and just have that in case I need to put some things somewhere. You know, envelopes, or like these are all like in a drawer, all my envelopes and things. And I would like them to be accessible. And it's never going to be. I mean, everything I have, I can never put it all into one area that I can reach when I need it. So, all right, I'll let you go. Anyway, that's what we've got here, and I will put this on my website, RitaJensenBigCartel.com, and yeah, maybe somebody will want to take this home with them. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.